Hello friends, welcome back to Yatheesharadhya channel. In this video lecture, I will show some papers from the literatures related to the response surface methodology, and I will show the results, how they got results from this software. Let's see. Yes, this is a influence of microwave vacuum drying process of parameter on phytochemical properties of Prunus nepalensis fruit. He done the DOE related to the phytochemical extraction, and this is the ANOVA model parameter from microwave vacuum drying of showing that fruit. And this is the 3D structures what he got from responses: TPC, TFC, DPPH, color change, and anthocyanin content. Then go to the next one. Physiochemical and phytochemical properties of foam-mat dried passion fruit powder and comparison with the fruit pulp. Here three responses are there: vitamin C, total phenol content, and hygroscopicity. These are the 3D structures. Next one, ultrasound assisted extraction of phytochemicals from Coccinia indica fruits and its characterization. In this paper, he used box Benken design for optimization of ultra assisted extraction method from Coccinia indica fruits, and 1, 2, 3, 4 factorials and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 responses: yield, percentage of extraction yield, percentage of DPPH, ABTS, and TPC content, and the TFC content. And he got 28 runs from DOE, and he got the 3D structure of responses. See, these are the 3D structures, and these are the analysis ANOVA table. This is adequate R squared, lack of fit value, and model. All these informations reported in this table. So in this paper, applying a design of experiments, he mentioned the name of its design of experiments to flavonoid extraction from Passiflora alata and Eduliza. Two fruits he took and optimized the extraction condition for flavonoids. Okay, let's see how he used. He used three types A, B, and C factor. Three factors like ethanol, how much ethanol he took, and water. Then method. See, there is a two type of input variables are there. Independent we call it as independent variables, and mainly in the design of experiment or design expert software, two things are very important. It means input variables, output variables. Input variables means independent variables. That is, we have to put factors from the range, from this range to this range. The design expert software, it is taking like minus alpha plus alpha is there. So like that, -1 to +1. So center point is 0. Like that. Okay. Here factor A is the ethanol concentration and factor B is the water concentration, and factor C is the method. Which method? This is not a numeric. In the design expert software, in the input variables, two types are there: numeric and categoric variables are there. Numerical means number. It is we can put a number from this range to this range, but in a categorical, we have to put like which method. For example, it is a hot or cold or something like that. Here he used categorical type for the factor C. He used two methods. He used two methods, percolation and maceration methods. Okay, based on the condition, and it is analyzing and optimize the which method is good for extraction for flavonoids. Yes, this is the result of DOE matrix for flavonoids, and this is the result of Passiflora alata and Edolisa. These are the variables. 14 runs are there. As usual, this is the ANOVA table. This is the model and which factors are interacting with the response variables and which conditions are more effective to response variables, and here they mentioned F value, P value, and which model it is significant or not, and lack of it value is not significant, pure error. He reported ANOVA suggestion. It suggested a quadratic model and sequential p value 0.028. It must be less than 0.05 and r squared is 0.886. It is also accepted. And yes, he also mentioned F value 9.95. It is also significant. There is only a 0.28% chance of model F value. This is a large could occur due to noise. Okay, the model is give the equation for the optimized condition. This is the equation. These are the equation. This is the equation for maceration, and this is the equation for percolation. See, in Alata, quadratic model is well fitted, but in the Passiflora cubic model, they suggested the software suggested the cubic model, and acceptance rate is high in this model. And he also mentioned here flavonoid extraction decreased when 100% ethanol we used. This is this 100 we are if you are using the 100% ethanol, the flavonoid extraction is decreasing. He mentioned that's why we are using this design of expert software for optimization purpose and comparative test and many other processes. Okay, it is very well statistically significant, the analysis of experiments and reported the good results in the case of high yield. 75% ethanol is good for extraction of flavonoids. Binary mixture of ethanol means 75% ethanol, 25% of water. That will be good for extraction of flavonoids. We can get high yield of flavonoids from this condition. Okay, coming to the next one, ultrasound assisted phytochemical extraction condition optimization using a response surface methodology from perlite grapes, which is vinifera. So I am taking this paper as an example. I will take this results and I will show the how to do design of experiment by using response surface methodology. I am using these values, same values, and do the analysis. Okay. He took 1, 2, 3, 3 factors. He didn't take categorical variable, only numerical variables he took, and 4 responses he put, and he got like this 3D structures of responses. 4 responses, 4 3D diagrams.